Okay, as you know, like we are talking about needs analysis, and we are talking about the target population of needs analysis and what procedures we have to conduct or administer needs analysis. Okay, but you might be wondering how does needs analysis look like? Okay, how does it exist in its concrete shape? Okay, which is something which is tangible or which could be seen. Okay, so this example will show you the needs analysis in its concrete shape. Okay, and this example, just for your reference sake, has been taken from Richard's book, Curriculum Development in Language Teaching. Okay, and this example actually revolves around NNES, means non-native English speaker students, and their English needs in a university of Auckland in New Zealand, right? Okay, so there was sort of needs analysis administered or conducted, and the purpose of needs analysis was to understand whether the current resources or the current courses meet the needs of the students. Okay, and obviously, as I have said, it's the University of Auckland, and the context is one of the largest universities of New Zealand, and the population is nearly like 26,000 students. And this was like, for example, the needs analysis took place in 1997, right? Okay. In that university, non-native English speaking students, their strength was growing. Okay, and the university was experiencing a challenge to how to enhance the language proficiency of newly arrived or new existing students, right? Okay. Because the students needed variable competence, I mean, in both in general and academic English and professional English as well. Okay, so the university actually, in order to conduct needs analysis, got insights from previous surveys done within the same university. I mean, University of Auckland. Okay. So they came to know what problems then students used to face. Okay, in order to conduct this specific needs analysis, 2 questionnaires were designed. Okay, these questionnaires mainly focused at eliciting information about the problems faced by students. Okay, so overall, with the help of this questionnaire, the university administration gathered information regarding students, I mean ESL, English as a second language students, problems or experiences about language learning, what deficiencies or what deficiencies they had, or what necessities they wanted to have, right? So, as you might recall from my own personal account of helping, my teachers in conducting needs analysis in the UK. So similarly, the university people, right? The staff was involved, and then while conducting the needs analysis, the questionnaires were used to get information about the demographics, I mean the age, the gender, the nationalities, their first language or the second language. So, and also they gathered information about in different skills of language learning, for example, reading, listening, speaking, or writing. So what I mean to say is this needs analysis in the University of Auckland helped streamline the key issues faced by non-native English speakers, right? And in the light of this survey, or in the light of this needs analysis, some suggestions were made, and these suggestions focused upon, developing reading habits of the students, right? So, and in the light of these suggestions, some changes were made with regard to the existing syllabus of teaching, academic and general English. So what this example actually shows is that, this example shows us how needs analysis can be conducted in practically, and it would involve various phases. I would simply, briefly encourage you to, do your own needs analysis, being a language teacher, and prioritizing the needs through needs analysis.